Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on how to create this, and I said in that video I might take it to another step, and I've done it two different ways to just kind of show you some other tools you might not be aware of. I did this one kind of like a reflection, but I didn't really like it because the transparency tool kind of took out. So I did this one and just kind of blurred it, like it's reflecting on a piece of black plexiglass or glass. So I just took the item and I Control D and I duplicated it and then I mirrored it. That's all you really have to do. Now I could do a little bit with the front minus back and so you couldn't really see these, and if they were different colors it would be a big deal. But then just grab that, I'd go ahead and group it and I Control D, grab that top one and just bring it straight down holding down the control button. And at that time you can get your transparency docker and make it a little transparent. Then just get a black rectangle or any color really, but black's going to show it off the most. Go to Object, Order, Backup Page, and look at that. It kind of looks like it's a reflection. Now you could do the same thing. Let's make a duplicate of this and nudge it over. Let's make a duplicate of our black and nudge it over. And then this time we're going to try something else. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate, holding down that, and we're going to bring it this, but I'm actually going to nudge it out of the way. I'm going to left click and right click. Now, if you see it's got some cuts in it, and there's no weld tools, but if you go to Object, Shaping, and Weld, it will weld it. Then we could just take that blue and bring that in there and then take it right back. Now it's too vibrant, so now we can use the transparency tool to make it a little bit less. And to take it a next step, because it doesn't look all that good, we could take it while it's selected and go to Effects, Blur, and go a Gaussian blur. And then you could set this blur on. You could go too far, so be careful. But you could blur it and make it actually look like a reflection. This is now that I look at this, this is a pretty unique little item. Maybe you could do some more things with it. But that's two different ways. And if you didn't, this was actually, I've already done some twisted ribbon, so this was twisted ribbon part 3. So I'm going to make this 3B. So you can just search 3 to find out how to make this. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.